You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this name correctly, the name of this Chinese province. If you want to learn more famous names of famous places in China, stay tuned. I've got more videos you'll want to listen to and learn from. Chinese pronunciation: Zhejiang, Zhejiang. In English, therefore, the pronunciation is going to be quite similarly as Zhejiang, Zhejiang. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.